Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is vinyl wrapping the front grille of the TL. Now, I'm not going to, like on the manual, on the manual I wrapped all the chrome, but for this one, I'm going to leave the chrome exposed, just wrap the aluminum color part, because to be honest, I don't really mind the chrome on the white. I find it kind of goes together good. Now, the only chrome I want to get rid of is this, just because it's a bit much, but I don't even know if I'll do that. The chrome isn't extremely noticeable on white, like it kind of goes together. Now, I do need tinted windows, so maybe once I tint the windows, the chrome will stick out more and I won't like it, but vinyl wrapping is a pain in the butt. I buy Vivid. Apparently, there's better, easier to work with wrap. I use Vivid just because it's cheap, and yeah, so as long as it's like warm outside, you get a heat gun, that's not a heat gun, hair dryer, whatever. It molds to everything better. You're just going to need a razor blade and like an old card to get in there, and then kind of put something over the card. You can buy like wrapping tools too if you want to do that. I just use an old card to get in the cracks. It's not going to look perfect, but it'll look good enough from a distance for me, because the hard part is getting here. This is the hard part. Everywhere else isn't too bad. Also getting the wrap to kind of like go right here nicely is a little hard, I find. So, but you know, wrapping is like anything. I'm sure you get better with practice. So I actually didn't buy enough vinyl wrap to do the back and the front. I just cut the back too wide, I guess. So now I don't have enough to do the back and the front. So I was determined to wrap it today, and I'm sick and tired of looking at that grill, so I'm literally just gonna wrap half of it and then try to overlap the other half with the wrap until I get new wrap in, because I gotta, like, this is just gonna go in the garbage anyway, so I might as well wrap it. Like, you'll see a little crack right there, but it's gonna be minimal. I just want to get it done.
Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Yeah, time to stand up, take control tonight. Spend too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight, alright. Pull the trigger, 6-7 figures. Making that money from the drive that's in ya. Gold digger, making money quicker. Pain is good, make your skin a little thicker. It ain't luck, anyone that's at the top, no it ain't luck. It's a grind, it's a time since the day one. It's your mind deep inside.
This actually makes a good thumbnail, even though my headlights are dirty. But as you can see, one side, other side, definitely looks better white. Now, the color's a little, it's definitely off. It's not the same white at all. It's not like a pearl white. The OEM's got like sparkles in it. This is just like a gloss white. So I wanted to get this white just to experiment, because it was only like 20-30 bucks taxes in. And I didn't want to spend a couple hundred bucks on a big piece if it didn't color match. So it kind of worked out, because since I need to redo this anyways, I'll try a different wrap, and hopefully, like, I'll try a sample of a different wrap for the grill, and if it matches, then I'll get a big piece to fix the rust. So I also might wrap the bumper if this doesn't come out. So yeah, as you can see there, I did screw up right around here. Like, it is hard to get, because you don't want to cut too far over, because then you'll start seeing the aluminum. But on the other side, I'll cut, like I was cutting against the emblem, so next time I'll cut against the aluminum part, and then it should stick better, because if you look here, it's kind of not sticking great. But all in all, it's just, like I said, it's just I'm not going in any car shows, so.
Some moves tonight, yeah, stand up. Got something to prove tonight, so stand up. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. make it all till it's down. We ain't gonna plan tonight, we're gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We're gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We're gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright.
All right, so that's it there. Definitely looks way better. Would definitely look a lot better if the color matched. But I'm gonna try to wax the car and see. Now the white definitely, I'm not sure if you can see in the light, but the white's definitely closer to the car paint color. Now the bumper itself is more dark. But yeah, I like it. From a distance, it looks great. Close up, you'll start seeing the little issues, obviously, but it looks good. Knowing me, I probably won't even rewrap it, but I definitely want to try another wrap to see if it's a lot closer to the paint color. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the paint is definitely brighter than the bumper, so it's pretty close. It's not close enough to fix the rust. Like, actually, let's just do it for shits and giggles and see what happens. There we go. I'll do this side. I already did this. This was a bad rust patch. And just do that and put it here and here until I get a color matching, because I freaking hate looking at that rust. Wow, see, that's better than rust. It's yeah, I'm gonna grind the fenders off because I wanted to do that on the manual anyway, so I can practice on here. I'm gonna grind it flush, and that'll take off most of the rust, and then I just gotta sand it down and then put body fill, smooth it out, and then get like a real better paint match color. In worst case, I might go price out a actual painter to see, but in certain lighting, you're not even going to really be able to tell, but you can definitely see rust in the light. So this is just plastic, so I got to go get like a rust cleaner or even like soap and water. Anyways, that'll come off. But yeah, so just a quick fix on the rust. It's not a fix. It's underneath. Rust is like a cancer. You got to fix it or it'll spread. So, but I still like that better than a rust spot.
Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up.